Hi everyone, and welcome to my first vlog. Yay! So today I took my juicer from the box and decided to juice something. I got myself carrot, apple, a lemon, beets, and ginger. Decided to juice these to see how they're gonna taste. So let's do this. I gave it a wash. You always have to wash your fruits and vegetables regardless of whatever anybody says. I will wash them. So I washed them and then decided to clean it. So cut the heads, cut everything, all the things that we don't need. Then scratch. This is how I clean my carrots. Other people will clean it in a different way, but that's how I decided to clean it. Then the apple, you take the sticker from there, you wash it, and I cut it into two. Took the seeds out, every seed out, the stick or the stem, if I can call it, took that out as well, and then put it aside. Cut the lemon into two, cut it. Yep. And the beads, decided to take the skin off and juice it. I don't know how you all do it, but skin is going off. I'm not juicing the skin with it. Skin went off with that peeling method, and that was it. Cut it into four. I kept the ginger with the leaves on because I didn't want to take it off. So that's it. Washed everything. Washed everything. Emptied the bowl. Washed my hand again and rinsed the fruits and vegetables again. Then now cut them into chunks that will be able to go through the juicer. So here we go. Wash the bowl again, and here we have freshly washed and cut vegetables and fruit ready to go into the juicer. So decided to feed the juicer with all the fruits like instructed. I put in the beets first, like randomly. It doesn't have any format. You could put whatever goes in first, but this is how I chose. I put the beets first, and then I turn it on, and then it started to juice. At this point, I have juiced the beets, and I think I've gotten, yep, chaff was coming out, and then a little juice as well. So let's see what we got. So this is what we've done so far. Turn it off, and this is all the chaff and the juice. 24 ounce and 700 cc's. I decided to taste it. Took a glass with ice. Gave myself a treat. So here, moment of truth to taste how the juice is or how it tasted, and oh my god, it was good. Yep, it was good. It's a bit earthy based on the beets, but it was good and you should try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.